Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, Sobat Getris. Now we learn about orient path and moving object. Okay, I will share first. For example, okay, I have resource for my animation look like this. Yeah. But now we learn how to moving the center point of object. Okay, for example, I have object look like this. Yeah, object look like this. It's a car, maybe, yeah, a car, and we do see from top. Yeah, okay, I will explain. If we select this object, we will find this point is vertex. Yeah, node of vertex 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and maybe 8. Yeah, maybe 8 node of vertex. Here, yeah, here we call center point. Yeah, we call center point. Okay. Where is the steer? The steer maybe here. Yeah. Okay. And we can sign. Oh, sorry. Maybe need like this. Yeah. Okay. 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 And the blue. Yeah, I think here. Yeah. Wait a minute. Okay. Move it. Okay. And center first. Okay. That's great. Yeah. Now I will export this object. Yeah. And to PSD. Yeah. PSD format. Okay. On desktop. Car race. Okay. PSD format on desktop car race. Just for example. Okay. Okay. Transparent background. Okay. Yeah. Now I want to layout on Flash. Now we want to layout on Flash. Yeah, for this maybe. Yeah, but now I will import to states the race car race. Okay, where is the car race? Okay, that's it. Yeah. Okay, now I will explain how to make moving this object smooth. Yeah, smoothly. Yeah, smoothly. Okay. Now I want to make this. Yeah, make this and convert to symbol. Press function 8. Yeah. Then moving clip car. Okay. Set. Okay. That is okay. I'm in moving clip car. Double click here. Okay, it's finished. Double click here. I will try to. Okay, we'll try to make a twin. Yeah, make a motion twin, and we show the moving. Yeah, we show the moving. Okay, now I want to add motion guide here and start from here. Okay, I grab use pen tool. Yeah, 1 2 3. Yeah, okay, as you wish. Yeah, okay, as you wish. Okay, that's it. Yeah, it's finished. But now I want to move this object to start off the guide and object end and end guide. Okay, let's try. Click, hold until you see the center point and move the start the guideline. Okay, now we choose end of timeline. Click, hold, and move the end of guideline. That's it. If you want to run, you will see like this. Okay, we call this animation, but not clear scenario. Yeah, but not clear scene. Yeah, okay, let's try to see. Okay, this animation but not clear moving. Okay, now yeah, okay, we see the object look like this. Yeah, okay, look like this, and we want to modify this. Yeah, we can try to end this. Okay, try to end this. Okay, choose. Okay, you will see. Okay, you will see. If we want to choose the twin, we will see the property. Yeah, we will see the property. If the rotate, we choose clockwise. Yeah, CV clockwise. Okay, you will see look like this. Okay, like this, and move you clockwise. Yeah, okay, we call this animation, but not clear moving. Yeah, clockwise and counterclockwise. Yeah, CCW, you can see the moving. Same, we call the animation but not clear moving. Okay, let's try another. I want to rotate none but orient to pad. Yeah, orient to pad. We'll see this orient to pad. Okay, yeah, okay, it's great moving. Yeah, It's great moving. If we want to more, we can use like this. Okay, I will explain all of you. It's better than before. Okay, I will try to choose this and modified free transform. Okay, you will see the center point, and we can move the center point here. Yeah, on okay. We're trying to okay. Yeah. Okay, we want to move. It's wrong place. Yeah, it's wrong place. This right place. Okay, I think here. This and move again. Moving again. That's right. This the end of object. I will try to move. Okay, and put here again. That's great scenario. Okay, let's see the move of this object. Okay, try this. It's great. That's great. Let's try. Control Enter, and we'll see a great moving from this object. Okay, that's our lesson today. Thank you for watching. Hope all of you understand our lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.